An inner join is formed when records from two tables are combined only if the rows from both the tables are matched based on a common column. The following is the syntax of an inner join.
The syntax: select column 1, column 2 and column 3 and column n from table A, and we will name it after the dot like A, and then inner join from table B, and I also giving the name of table B like symbol B. Then on table A means A dot column equals to B dot column. The column should be same like the primary key. So let us start. Here I have two tables, which one is the product table and second one is the category. So in the product table you can see here here I have many products, and here I have the one column which name is the cat ID, means category ID, and here in the category table I have the categories, and I have the column with the same name which was in product table, that is the category ID. So I do not want to I want to show the category on the user interface. So how we can show? We use inner join for this work. Like right here my syntax, as you see, first select, then from my table A is the product, then I am going to name it the P. Let's say P is a short name of my product table. Then I am going to inner join from table B, and table B is here like category, and where I am also going to name it C, short name C. Then the syntax is on P dot with the same column cat ID equals to C dot cat ID. Then after the select, write the name of columns which one you want, like I want to select category ID, product name, P dot product name, then category name. You can see here the category name is the category column appearing here. Okay, category name, then product status. You can see here we write here the code for the join two tables. Let's do this, and cat ID we should write the name of the table, because both have that column, both table have that column, that's why I have to write. I just write here P dot, because P is a product table, that's why I write here, then execute. You can see here the category name with the product, you can see. So that is inner join. You can use this with the students table and students results. You can use this, and so many uses are of this inner join in the database management. So I hope this will find you help, and thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.